Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P0967 relates to an issue in the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B found in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This solenoid is crucial for managing the pressure of the automatic transmission fluid, ensuring smooth shifting between gears. If any electrical circuit problems occur, it leads to restricted transmission functionality. Specifically, if DTC P0967 is logged, the vehicle's transmission will only shift into the first, second, or fifth gear due to the fail-safe mechanism implemented in the system. Thus, understanding and diagnosing this code is essential for restoring full transmission operation and vehicle performance. In conclusion, DTC P0967 highlights a critical issue concerning the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The causes of this code primarily stem from electrical problems rather than mechanical issues, reinforcing the importance of thorough diagnostic checks. The symptoms can significantly affect driving performance, emphasizing the need for timely interventions to maintain optimal transmission functionality. Furthermore, regular maintenance practices can help prevent similar DTC occurrences in the future, thereby ensuring a more reliable driving experience. Being aware of these aspects not only empowers vehicle owners, but also equips technicians with the necessary tools for effective troubleshooting. The AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B is integral to the vehicle's transmission system. Its primary function is to regulate the hydraulic pressure sent to the clutches, which helps in the task of shifting gears seamlessly. This solenoid is strategically located within the transmission assembly, where it directly interacts with the transmission fluid to influence performance. If this component fails or has an electrical issue, it can trigger DTC P0967, indicating a malfunction. The significance of this valve cannot be overstated, as it governs the smooth transition between different gears while preventing potential strain on the transmission. Accurate functioning of this valve contributes to overall driving comfort and vehicle reliability. The potential causes of DTC P0967 primarily point to electric circuit issues rather than mechanical failures. An electrical circuit problem can occur due to worn-out wires or terminals that fail to deliver the necessary power to the solenoid. Moreover, a faulty AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B itself could be responsible for the error, which necessitates further investigation. Additionally, issues such as open circuits or poor body-ground connections can disrupt the signal sent to the powertrain control module, PCM, leading to this DTC being logged. Understanding these causes assists technicians in pinpointing the source of the problem efficiently, ensuring a targeted and effective repair process. Vehicles experiencing the effects of DTC P0967 will often display distinct symptoms. One of the most prevalent signs is the inability to shift from first, second, or fifth gear, keeping the vehicle stuck in low gears. This drastic limitation is a direct result of the transmission's fail-safe mode kicking in to protect itself and the engine. Moreover, you may observe warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, indicating that there is an active problem that needs addressing. Drivers might also experience unusual transmission behavior, which could present itself through erratic shifting or slipping gears. Recognizing these symptoms early is key to preventing further complications in the vehicle's transmission system. In the first troubleshooting step, it's essential to select the on mode by pressing the engine start-stop button. This action powers the onboard systems and enables the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to interact with the vehicle's computer. Next, you will clear the DTC using the HDS, which resets the error memory. After clearing, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again with the HDS. If DTC P0967 reappears, the failure is confirmed, and the next steps should be followed. However, if the code does not store again, it indicates an intermittent fault, suggesting that connections or terminals between the solenoid and PCM should be checked for looseness or wear. The second troubleshooting step requires checking the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B using the HDS. Here, you will assess whether the actual signal parameters match the specified threshold conditions. The crucial value to monitor is the current leading to the solenoid, which must exceed the limit of 0.035 amps for the valve to be deemed functional. If these parameters are met, the solenoid is likely in good condition, allowing you to progress to the next troubleshooting step. Contrarily, if the currents do not align, the valve is defective and will necessitate replacement. In this case, replacing the secondary valve body, which houses the AT solenoid, would be required to restore proper functionality. For the third step, start by switching the engine to off mode, preparing the vehicle for a more detailed inspection. Use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to jump the SCS line, which helps in diagnosing the wiring without causing additional strain on components. Disconnect the PCM connector B, 51P, to ensure safe access for circuit checks. Then, check for continuity between designated test points. Ground 1 and Ground 2 lines should show continuity back to body ground. If continuity is present, the wire connections are intact. Otherwise, you must repair any open circuits or poor ground returns. Focusing on the Ground 1 and Ground 2 lines is vital, as their integrity directly affects the solenoid's operation. After completing the troubleshooting and repairs associated with DTC P0967, it is essential to conduct a final verification of repairs. Start by taking the vehicle for a test drive. Pay attention to how the transmission shifts through all gears, ensuring any previous restrictions are no longer present. After the test drive, once again, check for any recurring DTCs using the HDS. The absence of P0967 after several driving cycles suggests that the issue has been resolved. Confirming a smooth and responsive gear shifting process characterizes the success of the repair and indicates that the vehicle's transmission system is now functioning correctly. To help prevent future occurrences of DTC P0967, it is critical to implement regular maintenance practices. One advisable approach is to routinely inspect the wiring associated with the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve to ensure that there are no visible signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion. Furthermore, ensuring that all connections remain secure and free from dirt or moisture will bolster the reliability of the electrical circuit. Keeping the transmission fluid levels at manufacturer-recommended specifications is equally important, as low fluid levels can adversely affect the control of the solenoid, potentially leading to operational issues. Proactive maintenance not only aids in preventing DTC logging, but also boosts the overall longevity and performance of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.